wind and blows no good. Mad Dog Mccree and his band of cutthroats riding into town. Folks here are plumb scared to death. Town's deserted. Even a tumbleweed doesn't dare blow across the streets today. Because these hombres are mean, vicious, with the gun. Sure, we got sheriff. What we need's a gunslinger. You handle yourself, Pilgrim. You sway a little lead in harm's way. That'd be tricky. He'd be forever beholden to you. We're simple folk. But the mayor's daughter, you lay your eyes on her, you see what I mean. She'd be worth taking a chance for. Stranger, you think you're tough enough to take on Mad Dog? Prove it to me. That man is a scourge of the territory. Why, to beat Mad Dog to the Spanish treasure, you'll have to take on renegade Indians. Bandido, senor. And Mad Dog's sleazy crew. You think you can beat that crazy killer to the Spanish treasure? Why, he's ready to dynamite the whole of Superstition Mountain to get at that gold. He's well armed, stranger. Bear that in mind. Mad Dog's back. It ain't gonna be easy. You're gonna need a guide to get you to the treasure. Pick anyone. Buckskin Bunny.
You wanna play?
Well, she can get you into trouble, stranger. But she can lead you through the bad life. The professor, he's something of a gambling quack. His way's not always the straight way, but he's got an ace or two up his sleeve. He'll get you to the treasure.
Shooting beaver. Very dangerous.
Now that Indian knows a shortcut from renegade country. You save his neck, he'd save yours. You think you're man enough to ride shotgun with me? Get up here.
You're that famous bounty hunter the whole town's a buzzing about, huh? So you're gonna take on those 4 vicious outlaws? Well, you got guts.
Gave up being a lawyer, became a killer. Figured I'd get into a more respectable line of work. I'm handsome here. Hey, look at me! I'm way too good looking for jail.
They call me Nasty Dad. That robbery and killing was something to be ashamed of. I killed more than 50 bounty hunters just like you before I even knew it was against the law.
Then, of course, there's El Loco. Crazy like a fox and twice as smart.
In this cantina, the tequila always comes with a little rum. Me!
Last and certainly least, there's the Cactus Kid.
Bounty hunter, I got an undeserved prize here. Your name on it? How do you spell? Stupid.
On the side of everything that's good and decent is my hero, General Clinton Briggs.
You're the new bounty hunter, right?